Hey y'all! Today I want to bring y'all some spring cleaning motivation. I know that a lot of us right now are staying at home, which we should be, but I think this is a great opportunity to make the most out of this situation. So the first thing I'm going to be doing today is getting the living room carpets ready to be shampooed. Everything that can be washed in the washing machine, I'm putting in there. That includes my blankets, my curtains, and my pillows. I also did want to let y'all know what I found to be the best way to shampoo your carpets if you really want to get them super deeply clean. And what I do is the first 2 rounds that I go over my carpet, I will go fully over the carpet completely twice. And both of those times will be with the carpet shampoo solution. But then I'll do a final one after about maybe 10 minutes with just straight hot water to get all that up, to help maybe cut down on that smell. Like, I don't really love the smell of carpet shampoo, but it just kind of lifts that smell, and it also really lifts up the rest of the dirt after that solution has set in and really got to work on your stains. This little gnome cracks me up every time I look at it. Me and my husband got this the last time we went to New York at the hotel that we stayed at, and I just love it. I know it's flipping the bird, but I think it's just hilarious. If you're enjoying this video, consider subscribing. I would love to have you back on my channel. I know that I have really enjoyed making these types of videos recently, and I will definitely be making more. Give this video a thumbs up if you love double hung windows. I know I do. For my couches, I'm just using a simple cleaner that I made myself with water, castile soap, and essential oils. Next, I'm going to be doing some disinfecting. Lately, I've been doing this probably every couple of days. And of course, you want to do your light switches and doorknobs, stuff you touch most often, as well as your electronics and your remote controls, like anything that you're going to be touching a lot during the day. And don't forget to clean the things that you clean with, such as your vacuum cleaner, because those get especially dirty. Thank y'all so much for watching. I know that right now this is a very weird time for a lot of people, and it's a very hard time for some. But comment below how you're doing during this time, if you're staying productive, if you're more just enjoying your time off, or just let me know how you're doing. I'd love to hear from you.